Muscovy ducklings of Functional Rustic coming in for breakfast. This one with the red caruncles is the mama. That is Amelia air duck. You guys, come on, keep going. Yeah, we got this guy here. His wings are all messed up. Doesn't seem to stop him from doing anything. But I gotta talk to some people who know better. Find out what I can do to help him and if he's hurting or anything. You get these Muscovy ducklings. That noise is coming from Chester. That's the noise that Muscovy ducks make. Look at that butt wiggle. So pretty. They are different colors every single morning. So it's fun to find out who looks like what each day. See more of the sights and sounds of Functional Rustic at functionalrustic.com.